Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best macadamia oil is probably one of the most luxurious and effective natural elixirs for transforming dull, damaged hair into a vibrant, silky masterpiece, offering deep nourishment and a radiant shine that will make heads turn, leaving your locks feeling incredibly soft, manageable, and frizz-free without any heavy or greasy residue, making it a must-have in your hair care routine. Number 5. Pure Bali Hair Vitamins Moroccan Oil Capsules. Discover the secret to healthier, more vibrant hair. These innovative capsules are designed to transform your locks from dull to dazzling. Enriched with a powerful blend of argan and avocado oils, they deeply nourish each strand. This luxurious serum provides essential nutrients for optimal hair health. Whether you have frizzy, dry, or curly hair, these capsules are perfect for you. They are formulated to benefit both women and men, delivering universal care. Packed with vitamins A, E, and Pro B5, they strengthen and protect your hair from within. Experience noticeable improvements in texture and shine. Each bottle contains 40 convenient capsules, making your daily hair routine simple and effective. Just one capsule a day can unlock your hair's full potential. What we like. This product comes in convenient capsules, making application mess-free and precise. If you are looking for a pre-portioned, easy-to-use treatment, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who want a quick, targeted boost of vitamins for their hair. What people say. Number 4. Macadamia Professional Nourishing Hair Repair Oil Treatment. This exceptional oil treatment is designed to bring life back to your hair. It deeply nourishes and repairs, transforming dull strands into vibrant, healthy locks. Experience the power of its rich, nourishing blend. It penetrates deeply to restore essential moisture and strength, leaving your hair feeling incredibly soft and smooth. You can trust this treatment to be kind to your hair and scalp. It's completely free from sulfates and parabens, ensuring a gentle yet effective care routine. Embrace the benefits of its natural and organic ingredients. This formulation harnesses the best of nature to provide superior hair health without harsh chemicals. Feel good about your hair care choice with this product. It's proudly cruelty-free and vegan, reflecting a commitment to ethical and sustainable beauty practices. This 4.2-ounce bottle provides ample treatment for consistent, beautiful hair. It offers a comprehensive solution for lasting beauty and vitality. What we like. This oil is a dedicated repair treatment, focusing on restoring hair health. If you prioritize products free from sulfates and parabens, this option aligns with your values. It's ideal for conscious consumers seeking a natural and cruelty-free solution for damaged hair. What people say. Number 3. Kiss Argan and Macadamia Reparative Hair Oil Serum. Discover the secret to beautiful, healthy hair. This luxurious serum is designed to bring life back to dull and damaged strands. Enriched with the power of argan and macadamia oils, it deeply nourishes your hair from root to tip. These precious ingredients work together to restore vitality. Say goodbye to breakage and split ends. It actively repairs and strengthens your hair, making it more resilient against daily stressors. Experience incredible softness and a brilliant shine. This serum leaves your hair feeling incredibly smooth and looking radiantly healthy. Just a few drops are all you need for instant transformation. Incorporate it into your daily routine for consistently gorgeous hair. What we like. This serum combines the power of argan and macadamia oils for reparative benefits. If you need a daily serum to combat damage and add shine, this blend is highly effective. It's great for maintaining healthy hair with a luxurious feel every day. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to extract specific points due to empty source content. Number 2. Luseta Macadamia Oil Leave-In Conditioner. Discover the secret to beautiful hair with this luxurious leave-in conditioner. It's enriched with the nourishing power of macadamia oil. Feel the difference it makes. This special formula also includes argan oil, known for its incredible hair benefits. It works to deeply penetrate and restore your hair's vitality. You'll love the results. Say goodbye to dull, lifeless strands. This conditioner actively rejuvenates your hair, bringing back its natural shine and bounce. It helps your hair look its best. Experience intense hydration like never before. It deeply moisturizes each strand, leaving your hair feeling soft and supple. Your hair will thank you. Specifically designed for dry and damaged hair, it provides the ultimate care. Let it transform your hair from brittle to beautiful. It's the perfect solution. With regular use, you'll notice a remarkable difference. Embrace healthier, more radiant hair every single day. It helps maintain your hair's natural beauty. What we like. Unlike a rinse-out product, this is a leave-in conditioner, providing continuous moisture. If your hair is dry and damaged and needs constant hydration, this formula works wonders. It's perfect for those who want to detangle, soften, and protect their hair throughout the day. What people say. Number 1. COCOCARE 100% Natural Macadamia Oil. Discover the secret to radiant hair and skin with this incredible natural oil. It's a pure and effective solution for your beauty routine. Experience intense hydration like never before. This oil deeply nourishes, leaving your hair and skin feeling incredibly soft and supple. Transform dry, dull hair into lustrous locks. It helps to restore shine and vitality, making your hair look and feel healthier. Give your skin the care it deserves. This oil works wonders to soothe and moisturize, promoting a smooth and glowing complexion. Enjoy its non-greasy formula that absorbs quickly. You'll love how it leaves no heavy residue, just pure, natural goodness. What we like. This is a pure, natural macadamia oil, offering versatility for both hair and skin. If you prefer single-ingredient products with multiple uses, this lightweight oil is a fantastic option. It's ideal for anyone seeking deep moisture without heavy residue, perfect for a natural beauty routine. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.